Hi everyone, and welcome back to Highlights at Home. I don't know about you, but one of my favorite things to do when it's cold outside is settle into my favorite chair with a fuzzy blanket, a cozy sweater, and a hot drink. I suspect that the combination of chillier weather and earlier sunsets has you wanting to do the same. So that's what we're going to do this week. Get cozy. I'm Christy, I'm an editor at Highlights, and I invite you to settle in while I tell you about this week's collection of free digital resources to help your family get cozy. And getting cozy isn't just about hot cocoa and warm blankets. It's also about slowing down, spending time together, and making warm memories. And here's why that might be important for your kids. Getting cozy will help encourage more open conversations and will build your child's self-esteem, because children will feel more positive about themselves when they feel like their company is valued by other people, including their parents. And when you cuddle up with someone that you care about, your body releases a hormone called oxytocin, which calms you and makes you more likely to deal with stress better. Plus, while children will always remember the big, momentous days of their childhood, the more quiet, everyday moments where you just take time to laugh and play and have fun together, those are moments they'll remember too. First, make a stop in the kitchen and try out a recipe for creamy pumpkin soup. Invite your kids to be your sous chefs. Next, you can let them make some felted mittens to keep their hands toasty warm the next time they play outside. Or your child might be interested in starting a journal and could use some helpful tips. Or maybe your kids want to build a blanket fort and host a family movie night. You can find more about all of these ideas in this collection. You could also turn your snuggle time into a time for learning new things. This week's article will take you on a journey to a farm in Iceland, where you'll learn about how farmers harvest eider down to be used in down comforters and clothing. Afterwards, you could try researching other common items to see how they are made. Or you could just take time to get snug as bugs and talk over a cup of hot cocoa. Start with our prompt, what are your favorite ways to relax? You might be surprised to hear each other's answers. No matter what way you decide to get cozy this week, we hope that you take advantage of the opportunity to relax and unwind together. We'll be back later this week with more free digital resources. Take care and have a great week.
Hey parents, find more great videos on Highlights for Grown-ups, the channel that helps you help your kids be their best selves.